Hello, good evening, student. Now, today our next topic operation of matrix. Number 1 addition of matrices. Let A and B are two matrices of the same order. Then we define the sum of matrix A and B as A plus B, that is Aij plus Bij is equivalent to M cross N order. For example, let A is equivalent to 1 minus 1 0 2, it is 2 cross 2, and B is also 4 minus 1 2 minus 1. Then A plus B is like this: 1 minus 1 2 0 plus 4 minus 1 1 minus 2, and we will add corresponding elements. So answer is get 1 plus 4, that is 5, minus 2 3 and minus 3 and minus 2. This is the addition of matrix. Property of matrix of additions. Number one, matrix addition is a commutative. If A and B are two matrices of the same order, then A plus B is equivalent to B plus A. This is the commutative law. Its proof: A plus B is equivalent to Aij plus Bij. After adding, you will get Aij plus Bij, and that is, we will change on commutative law. Bij plus, it can be written as Bij plus Aij, and now after separating, Bij plus Aij, so it is B plus A. So it is B plus A. This is the law, commutative law. Second law, matrix additions is associative also. If three matrices, if A, B and C are three matrices of the same order, then A plus B plus C is equivalent to A plus B plus C. Its proof is this. Suppose let A is equivalent to Aij, B is equivalent to Bij, and C is equivalent to Cij. Your left hand side is A plus B plus C. We will put the elements Aij and Bij plus Cij. After that, we will take on these three matrices of this like this: Aij plus Bij plus Cij, and now Aij plus Bij is in one bracket and plus Cij, and it can be also written as Aij plus Bij plus Cij. So A plus B plus C equal to RHS. So it is the associative law. Now, now third properties: existence of additive identities. Mm. The null matrix is the additive identity of matrix additions. Proof: if A is a matrix Aij, be M cross N matrix, and let O be the M cross N null matrix, then A plus O is equivalent to Aij plus O, and Aij plus O, it can be also written as, that is, suppose A1, and 0 plus A is also 0 plus Aij, and 0 plus Aij, that is A2. So A plus 0, 0 plus A, that is the same, it is A1 is equivalent to A2. So this is the existence of additive identities. Now, existence of additive inverse. Fourth existence of additive inverse. For every matrix A equal to Aij, there exists a unique matrix. Suppose minus A, that is minus of Aij, such that A plus minus A equal to 0, and same as minus A plus A equal to 0. The matrix minus A is called the additive inverse of the matrix. Its proof is also very simple. Let A is equivalent to Aij and be a M cross N matrix, then A plus minus of A, that is Aij minus of plus minus of Aij, it is a 0. This is the existence of additive inverse. Now, difference of matrix. differences of matrix, let let A is equivalent to Aij m cross n order and B is equivalent to Bij m cross n order be two matrices then of the same order, then we define the difference of matrix A and B as A minus B is equivalent to Aij minus Bij of m cross n order. Remarks, if A and B are not of the same order, then A minus B is not defined. For examples, if A is equivalent to 1 minus 1 and 2 0 and B is equivalent to uh, 4 minus 1 2 minus 2 1 minus 2, these two, and C is equivalent to 3 5 3 0 1 2, then A minus B is equivalent to C. A minus B both are 2 cross 2 order, 1 minus 1 2 0 minus of 4 minus 1 1 minus 2. After subtracting, you will get minus 3 0 1 and 2. But B minus C is not defined, as B and C are not the same order. So B minus C is not defined, and A minus C also is not defined. A minus C is also not defined, as A and C are not the same order. Only A minus B is defined. Now, student, we will start scalar multiplications of matrices. Uh, Scalar multiplications of matrices means one scalar part multiplied by matrix. Let A is equivalent to Aij of m cross n order be a matrix, and let K be the scalar parts. Scalar, any real number, any real or complex number. Then we define multiplications of matrix a scalar K as Ka, and Ka it is written as Kaij m cross n order. This is, for example, let A is equivalent to 1 minus 1 2 0 2 cross 2 order, then 2A is equivalent to 2 into 1 minus 1 2 0. So after multiply each and every elements of 2, you will get this 2 minus 2 4 0. This is the scalar multiplications of matrix by scalar. Now property of scalar multiplications. Property of multiplications, a scalar multiplications, let A is equivalent to Aij and B is equivalent to Bij be a matrix of the same order, and let K and L be two scalar. Then number one, first K into A plus B, K into A plus B, that is equivalent to Ka plus Kb. And second property is, suppose two scalar is there and one matrix is there, K plus L into A, that is Ka plus La. This type of two scalar multiplications. For example, suppose if A is equivalent to diagonal suppose A is equivalent to diagonal minus 2 5 1 and B is equivalent to diagonal 1 0 minus 1, then we find 3A minus 5B. Solution. Here given A is equivalent to diagonal minus 2 5 1. It can be written as matrix form. A is equivalent to minus 2 0 0 0 5 0 and 0 0 1. This. And B is a diagonal 1 minus 1 1 0 minus 1. It can be written as by the matrix form 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 minus 1. Okay, then we will find 3A minus 5B. So 3 into this matrix A matrix minus 5 into B matrix. After multiplications you will get this, and after subtractions you will get your result like this. 11 minus 11 0 0 0 15 0 0 0 8. So it can be written as by the diagonal form minus 11 15 and 8. This is your answer. Question 2. If A is equivalent to 1 minus 3, 2, 2 0 2, and b is equivalent to 2 minus 1 minus 1 and 1 0 minus 1. Then find the matrix C such that 5a plus 3b plus 2c is a null matrix. It is given is a null matrix. Okay. Solution is this. Given a, b and c is as a matrix such that 5a plus 3b plus 2c is equivalent to 0. It is given. Okay, we put here all matrix 5 into matrix A plus 3 into matrix B plus 2C is equivalent to 0, null matrix. This is one equations, and putting the value of matrix, all matrices A and B, and solving this, then plus 2C equal to 0. After transposing this number, this matrix, you will get 2C is equivalent to 0 minus of this matrix. Okay, and then 2C is equivalent to matrix 11, a minus 18, 7 and 13, 0, 13, 0, 7. Then C is equivalent to minus of half of these, and multiply by half, you will get your this answers. This is the answer. Example 3. Now, example 3, find x and y. This type of question is also asking many times in your examinations, important questions. Find x and y if x plus y is equivalent to 7, 0, 2, 5, and x minus y is equivalent to 3, 0, 0, 3. Let x plus y is equivalent to 7, 7, 0, 2, 2, 5 is equation 1, and x minus y is equivalent to 3, 0, 0, 3 equation 2. This is the simultaneous equations, and if you add it, your y component will get cancelled. So adding this, then 2x is equivalent to y get cancels, and this 2 matrix is also added. When you add, you will get 2x is equivalent to 10, 0 and 2, 8. So x is equivalent to 1 by 2 of this, and when you multiply by this, so your matrix x is given 5, 0 and 1, 4. Putting the value of x in one or two any one equations, you will get y. Y is also this. After solving, y is equivalent to 2, 0, 1, 1. This is your answer, x and y. Same one more questions is there here. If first matrix x square plus 3 4 x square 3 4 and 1 9 8 plus minus 3x 1 minus 5 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 6, that is equivalent to 4 4 1 minus 2 7 2. Find the value of x. Here one unknown terms is there, x, one known element, that is x. So you see these two matrices are added. When you add it, after adding, you will get x square minus 3x and 3 plus 1 4 minus 1 and 1 minus 3 9 minus 2 8 minus 6, and your right side is same 4 4 minus 1 2 minus 2 7 and 5 7 and 2. Comparing the corresponding element, because these two matrices are equal, as per definitions, comparing the corresponding elements of the above matrices must be equal. Therefore, x square minus 3x is equivalent to 4. And x square minus 3x is equivalent minus 4 is equivalent to 0. This is the quadratic equations. After factorizing, you will get x, value of x. X is 4 and x is minus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. This is the second periods, and that is up to this part is today. So okay, thank you. Good night.